Hey yo, JC, hold up. Ryan here. I want to show you my Pruveeo dash cam for $36.99. This is my unique modification and setup in my vehicle. Take a look at some of this daytime and nighttime footage and then we'll get into it. This is me live streaming to my phone. Oops, scary. Okay, Ryan here. I want to show you a little hidden gem as far as dash cams go. It's the Pruveeo F5 car dash cam. You can see I bought this last year, 2017. I think I paid $36.99 and now it's up to $38.99. That's probably attributed to the really good reviews that this thing has. Comparable models seem to just not compare to it, and I feel like I made a really good purchase. Pruveeo is probably just a Chinese name brand or rebrand that I had never heard of, but I tried to do my diligence before making a purchase, and for under 40 bucks, this thing is impressive. Functionality wise, it works like you would want it to work. I've bought a lot of dash cams. For one person, a lot, probably 8. And this one by far is my favorite. Quality plus price and functionality, it just works. It's got an app that you can use to connect your phone to it to do a few things. Now the app has poor reviews, and I think it's because people just don't take the time to follow the instructions. Basically, you turn on the Wi-Fi on the unit, you connect to the Wi-Fi from your phone or your mobile device, even your tablet. You can connect to the device, you can live stream it, and as you can see here, you can pick the video clips and you can download the clips to your phone. The downloads do take a while, but it works. So this is a nighttime shot with it. Now there is some external lighting. I'm in a parking lot here, so there's some fluorescent lights outside. But as you can see, it's crystal clear. I keep mine set on 720p, but you can go 1080. Now this is an early morning shot. The sun hasn't fully risen. This is going to be me pulling out of the gym, and we're going to take a short little ride, and you can see the clarity is excellent. It really is high quality. The microphone picks up sound really well. It's stable. I have mine set to record in 3-minute clips continuously, and if I don't hit, I think it's called a panic button or an emergency button, which will lock that 3-minute clip in, it'll keep recording until it fills up your micro SD card. Then it'll start recording over the oldest ones, and it'll go in a loop continuously, which is perfect. So with this, all you need to do is give it power, let it run. If something happens, there's a little caution button. Press the caution button, and it'll save that event. Easy. So you can see as we're driving here, I have kind of a unique setup on mine for this video where it's in place like you're the passenger. So here's a little bit later in the day. We've got a little bit of overcast going through the neighborhood. The quality is very impressive. Again, I paid $37. I think it's $39 now. Well worth it. It's just simple. Once you have it set up, and it's easy to set up, you power it on and go, and you turn it off when you don't need it. And if you have a vehicle that has outlets like mine that don't turn off when the car turns off, you will want to monitor that, because if you don't use your car for a few days and it stays on that long, you're draining your battery. And that has nothing to do with the device itself. It's just how your vehicle's wired. It's just so clear for the price. I've owned dash cams that have cost over $100 that just didn't work as well as this one. The quality of video was comparable, but the functionality was not comparable. Again, I can't emphasize this enough. Once you have this set up and you have your card in, it's plug and play, you roll, you go.